welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back again with the fourth video, I think, of this series. Yes, it's fourth video of this series, the rainbow series currently I'm doing, and today's color is yellow. And I'm going to start off the makeup with blocking my eyebrow because I have something interesting planned out for this one eye, and for that it's very important that you block your eyebrows because you don't want latex to get into your eyebrows. Yes, correct. Here what I'm doing is I'm taking a non-toxic glue and just pressing it really hard on my eyebrows. I know I'm doing it with my hands because currently the glue stick I'm using, sorry, that's my dog, extremely sorry for that. Yeah. I'm just setting it with some powder. Again, it's a very important step. Do not skip this step, otherwise when you are going to color your eyebrows or put makeup on your eyebrows, it is going to be extremely sticky and going to create a mess. Now to prep my skin, I'm going to start off with the MAC illuminating base. I am in love with this product. For my base, I'm going to actually start off with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, applying it with my trusted YBP Beauty blender. I was just not very happy with the coverage it was giving. I mean, it does provide a good coverage, but for this look I was not satisfied with the coverage, so I switched to Sugar Cosmetics Ace of Face foundation stick, which has amazing pigmentation. I'm blending that with that same YBP makeup perfector again. I know right now my face does look a little bit white, but as you guys already know that pretty much every possible foundation available in this entire earth does oxidizes on my skin, so just chill, okay? Once I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to conceal my face, and for that I'm going to use a Maybelline Age Divine Concealer, and I'm in the shade called Nutralizer. For every product I have used in this video, do check out my description box. You guys know the drill, so don't skip that. To set off my base, I'm going to take NYX HD finishing powder. It's an amazing setting powder, and we have actually worked with so many cream products, so we really need to do this step. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to quickly finish my eyebrow, and I'm just going to fill in my brows with the NYX 3-in-1 brow pencil in the shade called Charcoal. I'm going to paint my brow black because for this look I really want a very stark and bold eyebrow. So just doing that. Also, I'm just slightly overlining my brow to make it more stark and bold. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to apply the black shadow from this Makeup Revolution palette on the eyelid of my eye. I'm just applying the matte black shadow from the palette with a fluffy brush, but you don't need to be really very precise with this step because anyways we are going to blend it out and it doesn't really need to look super neat. You will understand why I'm saying this. But after that I switched to a flat tip brush because I was not very happy with the pigmentation it was giving with a fluffy brush. Then I'm slightly going to blend it with a clean fluffy brush just to make it a more diffuse and even tone look. Yes. Now the fun part, I am going to stick this flower petals of a sunflower with some liquid latex. By the way guys, this is actually a real sunflower which I got from my florist and it charged me only 10 bucks. So I'm just going to align these petals one by one. Then I'm just going to diffusing the harsh edges of those petals with some more black eyeshadow. Now to make some paint splatters and streaks, I am taking this Kralin Aqua Color body paint. This is actually water activated body paint, and I have taken the black shade and just dragging this kind of lines as if this black color is dripping from the eye. Now I'm taking that same brush which I have dipped into yellow body paint and I'm just making these splatters with this technique. It does give a really nice texture to your paint, and make sure that your eye is closed because we don't really want to spill some colors inside our eyes, right? Adding some yellow color here and there just to make it more textury, I would say. By the way, the brush I'm using is just a paint brush. You can get it easily from any craft store. Once I'm done with that step, I'm going to tightline my lower and upper lash line of this eye. This is very important because we have worked with a black shadow and we can't really let any kind of skin to peep through. After that, I'm going to seal my lashes with the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara, my current obsession. Oh my guys, please buy it if you haven't already. Giving a good coat of mascara to my bottom and my upper lashes. I am going to wear false lashes, so don't you worry about that. Now for the other eye, I'm taking this Graftobian Bruise wheel. This is basically a cream paint wheel, and I'm taking this yellow, bright yellow shade and applying it with the MAC Mini Blender. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to set the color with these two yellow and aqua blue, aqua green kind of shade from NYX Avant Pop Art Throb palette. I think this is the Art Throb palette only. I'm not really sure, but for that you have to check my description box. So I'm just packing that yellow shade on the cream paint to set it, also give some more intensity to the color. I have switched to a larger fluffy brush for the cheekbones and for my forehead. Just to give some more warmth and a little bit more depth, I am adding this warm red shade from that same Makeup Revolution palette, from which the black shade we have taken. For the inner corner and for my brow bone, I am taking that very nice aqua green kind of shade. I really love this shade. Now for my contouring, I'm taking this warm brown shade from that same Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm using it on the hairline and my cheekbones. Now for my wing liner, I'm using gel black eyeliner. I think this is from the NYX as well, and I'm just drawing a nice big wing. I'm going to add a white eye pencil to my lower lash line just to make it more poppy and look my eyes bigger, and for that I'm using NYX Jumbo pencil in the shade called Milk, and tight lining my upper lash line with that same black kohl pencil. Prepping my lashes with that same Big Shot Maybelline mascara. I am applying some highlighter to my cheekbones and my brow bones to give it more poppy and nice illuminating effect. For my neckline, I am using that same yellow cream body paint and applying it with a sponge. I have also applied some drips with those same colors, yellow and black. For my freckles, I am taking a nail art tool and I have dipped it into that same Graftobian cream makeup wheel and taken up the shade, and I'm creating this freckles. I really like this green because it's just give a nice contrast. For my lips, I'm going to first apply that yellow cream paint with the help of a flat tip brush, setting it with that same yellow eyeshadow, and I'm just going to diffuse the color just to make it more soft and natural. Wow, that's a nice word, yellow lips and natural. But you got my point, right guys? And I kind of wanted an ombre lip, so I'm taking this black matte lipstick from Maybelline. So with that, my look is complete. If you like this video, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Subscription is really important and it will mean whole world to me. So thank you so much guys for stopping by. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.